Hello everyone. Physics EMSAT question. A particle was moved from the origin to a new position r equals 4I plus 5j minus 7k meters. While the particle was moving, a constant force of 5 Newton in the negative z direction was acting on it. How much work was done by this force between these 2 points? To solve this question, we need to know the formula of the work done, which is W equal to the dot product of force times displacement. And here we have the force as given in the question, 0 in x direction plus 0 in y direction minus 5 in z direction. And we have R, which is equal to 4I plus 5j minus 7k. So the work done will be the dot product, so 0 times 4, which is 0 in x, plus the same 0 in y, here minus 5 times minus 7, which is positive 35 in the z direction. So the work done will be 35 joules. Let's check the answers. Here it's the third answer, 35 joules. Thank you.